Today, we'll guide you step by step to install CyberPanel on your Ubuntu server. Let's get started. First, logging into server. Once logged in, use the command Update your system package list. Copy command for updating and upgrade, and paste. Then enter. This fetches the latest package versions from the repositories and upgrade all the installed packages to their latest versions. This ensures your server is up to date and ready for installations. Next, install CyberPanel. Copy command and paste. Then enter. Download the installer. System asking to install or exit. For install, type 1. Then enter. Again asking install CyberPanel with Open Lightspeed or Lightspeed Enterprises. Type 1 for install Open Lightspeed, then enter. Install full service for CyberPanel. Yes, type Y, then enter. For full installation. Do you want to set up remote MySQL? No, type N, then enter. Install locally. Press enter for continue. Do you wish to install Memcached and its PHP extension? Yes, type Y, then enter. Do you wish to install Redis process and its PHP extension? Yes, type Y, then enter. Would you like to set up a watchdog? Yes, type Y, then enter. And starting install. Now, your installation is completed. Now restart the server and log in again. For restarting, type Y, then enter. After login, access for CyberPanel control panel, copy the IP address and paste to new tab. To set a password, use the command and paste below. Then enter. Now password is generated. Open the tab, enter username, default it's admin. Copy the admin password, then paste. Then sign in. Now you are successfully installed CyberPanel on Ubuntu server. See the description for more details of tutorial.